Hello, my name is Cassandra from Supercare Health. Today we will guide you on using your nebulizer and your respiratory medications for effective treatment. Nebulizers are used to break down your liquid respiratory medication so that your lungs can properly absorb the medication for maximum benefit. Before starting, inspect your nebulizer and accessories for any damage. Your kit should include a mouthpiece, a cap, a nebulizer cup, and it should also include a small baffle, which is the key component to properly nebulizing the medication and compressor. Please note, pediatric and adult masks are available upon request. Now, let's get started. Place your nebulizer on a flat, hard surface and plug the compressor into an electrical outlet. Ensure the air vents are not blocked. Next, check the filter. Replace it if it's discolored or wet. Filters should be replaced every 2 to 3 months. Consult your provider for resupply frequency. Wash your hands and attach the tubing to the compressor. It is important to make sure that the baffle is placed inside of your cup with each use. If your nebulizer does not create a mist, it is possible that the baffle may not be properly in place. Pour your medication in the upright medicine cup, twist the cap and attach the mouthpiece. Now let's go over how to attach your nebulizer tubing directly to your neb by attaching one end to the front port of the nebulizer and the other beneath the nebulizer cup. Twisting the tubing clockwise is a smart way to ensure a secure and tight seal, which helps maintain proper airflow and medication delivery. Now we're going to switch on the device. We're going to place the mouthpiece in your mouth and you're going to take slow, deep breaths for about 8 to 10 minutes. If needed, pause by placing the mouthpiece on the holder. After treatment, flick the bottom of the medication cup for any remaining medication. Turn off the unit and unplug it. Allow a 30-minute cool down period to prevent any damage. Cleaning is easy. Use a damp cloth to clean the outside and clean the nebulizer parts after each use. You want to disinfect each part weekly in hot, soapy water. You want to air dry, but do not disinfect the tubing. Always remember to assemble all parts of the nebulizer cup once everything is dry. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the Supercare Health team.